Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to take screenshot by accessibility menu. That is assistant menu through accessibility in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility. Then go to interaction and texturity, and here select assistant menu. Turn on assistant menu, and this is the assistant menu icon. Now go to the screen for which you would like to take a screenshot. Here I would like to take a screenshot from this page, and click on the assistant menu icon here and select screenshot icon there. Yes, screenshot is taken. For taking long screenshot, again go to the assistant menu icon and click on screenshot icon there, and click on enlarging icon in the captured image here, and image will be enlarging until you press enlarging icon or until the end of the page. Or if you want to stop at any time, you can click on the captured image, and this is the long screenshot using assistant menu option. If you want to edit or share whatever you want, you can do this toolbar. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.